What if you could create professional videos using references like images, videos, and audio all in one place? And what if I told you that one AI model is currently ranked #1 in video generation? Yes, I'm talking about Dreamina Seedance 2.0, which is now in early access on Dreamina. Today, I'll show you how this model works, especially its most powerful feature, Omni Reference, where you can combine multiple inputs and generate highly controlled video outputs. Let's get started. Using a reference image of a modern office workspace and a reference video of a real meeting environment, generate a professional office meeting scene. We are selecting Dreamina Seedance 2.0 model aspect ratio 16:9, duration 15 seconds video. Dreamina Seedance 2.0 fast gives you quicker generation speed, while Dreamina Seedance 2.0 focuses more on higher visual quality and better details.
For the product launch.
43
For the product launch.
Yeah, thanks.
And that's
You can clearly see how the image reference controls the character, and the video reference controls motion and camera style. This is very useful for creating corporate presentations, training videos, or business content. Prompt 2. We are selecting Dreamina Seedance 2.0 model aspect ratio 9:16, duration 15 seconds video. Prompt: using a reference video of a trending social media clip and a reference image for subject appearance, generate a short-form vertical video. Result: this is a great example of content recreation using Omni Reference. The movement, timing, and overall feel follow the reference video very accurately. This can help creators quickly produce marketing reels, social media content, and trend-based videos. Prompt 3. We are selecting Dreamina Seedance 2.0 model aspect ratio 16:9, duration 15 seconds video. Prompt: using a product image of a luxury wristwatch and a reference video for lighting and camera motion, generate a high-quality product showcase video. Maintain exact product details from the image. Result: this output is very impressive. The product details remain consistent, and the lighting and motion follow the reference very well. This is perfect for e-commerce, product ads, and brand marketing content. So this is what makes Dreamina Seedance 2.0 different. It's not just about generating videos, it's about controlling every part of the output using Omni Reference. You can combine images, videos, and more, and turn them into professional content for business, marketing, or social media. And with its current #1 ranking in video generation, it's definitely a tool worth trying. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.